Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the input select on your CHiQ 22F650 monitor. So first, we want to swipe right to open up the settings. Now go right to the bottom until we see the extra section. And here we have the input select. So now we can change it to VGA and HDMI. Basically, there's only two ports. And now here, let's say we want to change it to something else. Here we will go to input select. Now go to VGA and swipe right. As you guys can see, now the monitor will turn off and it will connect to HDMI automatically because I do not have the VGA plugged in. So that's basically how you guys can change it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.